you start getting some special results. You have to get obsessed with what you're doing. So you never stop thinking on the idea that you already developed, because you always can do a little better, like what we're doing right now. Now I got my center of the slab on it, and I just have to split my pieces from the center. I can keep the exact veining through the floor, and I keep it very accurate, very precise, and we cut piece by piece, and we're doing all that just to achieve a constant flow on the whole floor, moving all the veins on the same direction instead of have them crisscross, as you will have to deal with material that is already pre-made. That's what we're doing. We're cutting pieces vertical and horizontal, so we got all these veins going on the same way, all of them. So I think it's gonna look better from the distance and less crazy, because even if it doesn't have a straight movement, very marked, you can see those going kind of in one way and this one going kind of in a different way, right? Correct? So to make it look more custom. And we got our first piece for a gorgeous floor that we're gonna do. You can see it's perfect, no chips, nothing. Let's put it around here.